Are you and your kids looking for some fun summer activities to do? Well, I've got a neat one for you. How about doing a do-it-yourself first aid kit? Some of the items that you could grab around the home could be any type of plastic container. If you've got babies, it could be an empty diaper wipe box, or you can even grab yourself a simple plastic bag. There are some good items that you can find at your local stores to put and start your kit out. Let's start with Band-Aids. Various sizes are nice so that you can cover anything that comes up. Another thing you could put in there is some gauze rolls or gauze pads. That could either stop bleeding from happening, or it's going to hold a bandage in place if you've got something that you need to hold for a while. Other things that you can add are some antibiotic ointment, maybe even some tweezers or scissors in case you've got a sliver you need to get out. We want to make sure that you and your family have something available should you need it in your home, your car, your boat, or even an RV. So take some time, see what you can find out there on the internet for ingredients, and build your own safety first aid kit. Thanks everybody, stay safe.